Hello India, not only India, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Canada. Are you all international PR business setters? Are you a reseller? It's okay. But I want to show you and I want to tell you, resellers, Surat is the biggest city where for the diamond city as well as for the textile manufacturers. You can Google and see. Here you can see a huge crowd at my behind, and here is the lehenga counter where the boutique, lehengas, party wear, designer, bridal, all the things which is purchasing for business. If you are a reseller, you can also do this visit purchase over there. Females are sitting and purchasing the lehengas for the side wear, party wear, and here the family has come to visit purchase from all over the world. You can also visit Kesaria manufacturers to have a clothing business to start. If you're running a boutique or you want to start a boutique, if you want to become a wholesaler, you want to become a dealer, Kesaria is going to support you, to guide you. So keep watching this video. Today I brought for you the boutique reselling concepts of the fancy party wear sarees and functional wear sarees. This is the manufacturer's packing. All the sarees you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the wholesale set to set. Any sari you buy, any ready-made women apparels you buy, anything matching collections you buy, either kids you are buying, either men varieties you are buying, it's a wholesale manufacturing set to set. That's why everywhere you're seeing the product, it's set to set with the color charts which has been packed it. So we are supporting the best resellers, dealers, wholesalers. You can also quickly add into your business. Subscribe the channel for the regular product updates and keep watching this video, and you will come to know the product varieties of 400 rupees to 1200 rupees. But in the market, these collections are 7,000, 10,000, 12,000 is the reselling prices. So quickly you can see the collections and take a screenshot, do video calling, live purchase. So let's see the samples. The first pattern, which is a Rama green color, where the stone work which you can see here and the sequence you can see, the lace border sarees, very pretty saree. All these designer sarees you can take down easily, quickly with the color charts you can purchase. Vichitra fabric, you have a chiffon fabric. Light, all the sarees you can see, multi-designer fabric sarees you can purchase over here. The one more saree which is very pretty color, the dark purple, which is a butta, and the designer thread work you can see here. The lace which is lavender color shade. This is a very beautiful saree. All the sarees you can take down. The celebrations collections with the saree, Hasina is the code, and the celebrations tag with the barcode. You can see the scanner code and you can quickly do the online purchase. So next saree you can see here, the boutique these varieties for the regular, with the plain saree with a fancy tassel, with the greenish, with a mild mini border, with the handwork pattern. So these are all these amazing collections you can see here. The lovely glosses, the piping work which has been done here. This is also one of the pattern. So this is a bottle green with the color with the plain lace border. So one is next color, which is a dark pinkish with the handwork designer, curving stylish designer cut. All this black color with the stonework, chumki work, multi-designer saree, Hasina is the code. And this also you can do lovely printed varieties, collections with the brasso printed beautiful pallu with the Swarovski stonework with the printed mustard yellow, lovely brasso printed with bold border. The stones which are placed on the brasso printed sarees. This is also Hasina is the code. Next saree, the lovely saree with the brownish dark brown, lovely color, heavy designer, the white pearls which has been placed over here, the red stonework which has been placed over here. So this is also one of the pattern. All these sarees with the tomato red piping work which has been given here, and this is also Hasina as the code. So all these sarees with blouse, without blouse, 630 meters, with blouse. Without blouse we have a 6 meters, 530, 550, 630, all this kind of sarees you can purchase. So chicken curry with the mini lace with the stone sequence work and the stylish designer cut. all this handwork designer, unique latest designs you can also purchase. So every saree is having maximum to minimum 4 colors, 5 colors, 7 colors, and these all sarees are handwork designer exporting from India, especially from Surat to many more countries. Friends, hope you enjoyed these collections, which is 400 rupees to 1200 rupees. Actual price I have not shared you. To know the actual price, take a screenshot, call the or online numbers which is scrolling on the screen. To start 30,000, 20,000 or 3 lakhs also minimum you can purchase, and you set up the this boutique business. So for women to start and to have a independent women entrepreneurs, boutique is the best option for the clothing business. So this channel you can subscribe for the regular updates. Website, there's a website pages, social media pages you can follow. There's a bell icon, just click it, share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone, and keep supporting me. And what kind of collections you are looking for, you can please message, you can text in the video, you can put in the comments, I'll share you. So, and many audience, you are expecting the collections like to know the actual price. So actual price we are not sharing because many resellers are tie up with us. So hope you enjoyed these collections. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Keep supporting me. Take care. Bye bye.